Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Many people asked us how you can drive a nice car guys for little money. Okay, that's it right here guys. We will explain in this video today how we're going to spend $100 and something, close to $200 on new wipers on that BMW and new wipers on Maserati. Okay, we're going to save another $100 and we'll spend less than $4 to fix the wipers on both cars. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. So guys, when working on your car, okay, you can drive any car you want to guys nowadays. That's a good thing. You can find information on YouTube about fixing almost anything you can think of guys. For instance, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that teach you how to do things, but there are many channels that are very knowledgeable and they can teach you how to fix almost anything. So if you do the maintenance yourself, if you work on your car yourself, you buy the parts online instead of going to expensive stores, you can save a ton of money guys. So that's how we do it most of the time. So now guys, how you replace wipers on BMW i8. Now, if you just replace the wiper itself, it's super easy and efficient. We'll put the information in the description of the video below where you can buy replacement wipers at a really good price. But all we have to do, watch now, it locks right here. So turn it like this and slide it out. Now, number one mistake people make, if you drop that thing, all of a sudden you drop it like that, you're gonna break your window immediately guys. Now, we're going to do the same thing on this wiper here. This is for the passenger side, right? Okay, you do like that, and it comes out guys. Now we're going to gently let them down, because if you keep them up and they pop down, you're gonna break them. Now guys, you can buy replacement wipers at a really good price, or you can guys go ahead and rebuild them and save even more money. So we're going to explain about that now, how you can easily do that. The wipers itself, if you buy them online, they're not expensive at all. But if you go to a store, physical store, you may spend even hundreds of dollars on those wipers. We're going to put a towel under the thing so we don't scratch the window. And now we'll show you guys how we can easily rebuild them. So guys, okay, most people will go to the dealership or a physical store and get wipers, and that can cost you hundreds of dollars. Or you can get the refills that you cut them yourself, which are super high quality. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below and change it yourself. That's what we'll be doing now. Let us show you how easy it is and how much money you can save in less than 5 minutes. So with a small screwdriver or the toothpick guys, I pried up a little bit on each side, and then just go a little bit. Careful not to break your cap. Okay, it's tight fit. Okay, but it came off. You see there is 2 teeth on the top right here that we're holding. Okay, but we were able to get them out. So if you go here in an angle, you will be able to get them easy. Some of them are different designs. Now, that's one of the hardest wipers because it's super long. But, okay, on this side, it's a little bit tight. Okay, right here, so we might have actually went the other way. So let me put that cap. Sometimes you have to take them certain way. Where exactly it's pinched. So if we go on this side now, we can attempt, okay, to do that too. So let me now lift it up a little bit here, and let me get one more screwdriver, okay, and see if I can easily, since we saw where the teeth are, pry on it. Okay, looks like one side came loose. Okay, one side came loose. Now the other one as well. Perfect. Now here is where it's tight. Okay, you can see that metal thing. Here you might need to bend it. Those are original wipers. They're super good quality. Or used to be. They lasted a long time. We're going to bend that tooth. Pull the blade out. Now careful for the thing not to fall apart. Don't jiggle it too much. You can put it together if you need to, but I'm going to get a new blade. Okay. One of the new blades here guys, and we need to cut the exact same length. So we're going to come this way. Okay, and we'll get the scissors. Okay, let me grab the scissors quick. Okay, and we just cut it. Okay, perfect. Now we come back. Okay, we come back to the wiper. We get the new blade and we start feeding it in the canals. Okay, the bottom canal. Check this thing out. So you need to hold it. You might need to put a little bit of water on it if it doesn't want to go, because it might be too dry and it might have quite a bit of friction, guys. But eventually it gets there. Okay, so we're gonna come to here. We need to make sure that we don't have any wrinkles, anything like that. Now we're going to get that tooth and we're going to press it in again, that one on top, so it doesn't move. And guys, check this thing out. The wiper, okay, is ready to be rebuilt. It's ready. Now we can go ahead and install it on the driver's side super easily. Check this thing out. We just saved ourselves over $100, guys. Okay, when you get new replacement wipers, all you have to do, go in an angle, about 90-degree angle, turn it around, you're ready to go. So we're going to do the exact same thing, okay, with the passenger side. So let's see. Now we know how to open those because some of them will differ, but knowing how to open them, okay, everything should go. Let me see where, okay, exactly the tooth is. It's on this side. So we go here a little bit up and we're gonna come on this side with the screwdriver. Okay, and we're going to try, okay, to pry it here. So still quite stuck. Okay, but it's coming out. Check out, no damage of any kind. So we have to do, pull that. Once you do it one time, the second one goes quite easy. Okay, I dropped the thing. That tooth here, okay, let me grab the little tool. We need to bend it again, like that. Okay, wiper comes off. We're going to get, guys, new blade and the scissors quick. We're going to measure one more time. Let's measure now. It needs to be exact same length. Sometimes you may even go like half an inch longer depending on the situation, if you want more coverage. Okay, let me see now here. Okay, right there. Perfect. Now, what do we guys need to do? Get the new one and slide it in the canal. This one should be easy because it's a short wiper. The other one is extremely long, one of the longest one that I've ever repaired myself. Watch how easy that is now. And here, we are ready to push it in. Okay. Okay, here, okay, the tooth, I forgot to bend the tooth down. That holds the wiper in place so it doesn't move. The blade. And now, let me just align everything. Just install it there. Perfect. Click. Let's go ahead. Hold the blade good. And now go ahead and install it, guys. That's okay how we saved ourselves right now $100 and something. So guys, these wipers are completely shot. Okay, so we're going to rebuild them and show you how to replace them as well. If you're replacing them with new wipers, check here what's happening. Okay, I'm going to leave all these things here on the floor so I don't scratch the car, but I want to show you now, okay, how to remove wipers on that thing. Get a towel, okay? Now, here, you see that thing? You push down, and when you push down, you slide it out. Okay, like that. Now, don't let the arm down because you can seriously crack your windshield. Always put a towel underneath it. The same things on this side. Okay, check it out. Lift up, push down, and then just, okay, slide. Now, sometimes it's a little bit stuck. So be prepared, guys. Okay, let me see now. This one you might need to lift it a little bit in an angle. It came out. If you're replacing it with new wipers now, okay, all you have to do is get the new one and slide it in. But we'll show you guys how to rebuild them, okay, for only $3-4, and it will save you hundreds of dollars instead of getting original wipers, because those are still good wipers. We just need to replace the blades. So these wipers, guys, we're going to save now another $100 and something, so it adds up. Right now, about $300. We did our oil pressure sensor replacement this week. That saved us another $3,000 on that car. We did a fuel pump replacement on this one. That's another $3,000 because fuel pump control module, programming, all that, guys, adds up. So for that week, we saved close to $7,000 in repairs. That's how you save, guys, money, and you can drive nice cars as well. So that's how we, guys, save quite a bit of money. You see headliner here, we're going to rebuild on our car as well. If you go somewhere, it will be up to $1,000 just for basic repair, and sometimes up to $2,000 for more complicated ones. It will cost us ourselves, if we do it for materials, less than $180. So that's amazing, guys. That's how you save money. That's how you can afford to drive a nice car as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.